Ene ngari iria megemagia ngari ciao muciini wa Nairobi meguthii na mbere na gukenera utungata uyu matekurihira thutha wa mutambo wa kurihira parking wa IGGP na uria wiriga kurugurio ica ikuhi kwaga kuruta wira. Nĩ ndeto ĩrĩa irekereirio nĩ gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Mike Sonko akĩũria ene ngari kwaga kũrĩha marĩhi o mothe nginyagia mutambo uyu wambĩrĩria kuruta wira ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire.
Any new thing must have challenges. Even Jambo Pay itself, when it started, there were challenges around a week or 2 weeks. Hiyo makelele ilikuwa. But let me talk about this system. This revenue collection system belongs to the great city of Nairobi City County. Taxpayers' money haipotei, unlike the other one for Jambo Pay. I don't want to talk bad about Jambo Pay.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu Sonko nĩ akũmithĩtie arĩa makoretwo makiuga thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi nĩ ũrĩtwo nĩ mamirioni ma mbeca.
I don't know why people are bitter. If motorists don't pay parking for a day or two, hiyo si hasara ya watu. Hiyo ni hasara ya Nairobi City County under my administration. These are the people who voted for us. How much we are losing a lot of billions. In Kimwarer dam tulipoteza pesa ngapi? Manyumba ile inanunuliwa na government, billions of shillings zinapotea na watu wananyamaza.
No na kuri oguo kuri na ene ngari iria marihite mbeca makiria kugera mutambo wa Jambo Pay riu magitigera kana mbeca ciao ni igucokio guku na wangi makionania kuiganira na mutambo ucio wa tene thutha wa gucokerio mbeca ciao.
Tuko na magari matatu huwa tunalipa baada ya miezi mitatu, na tangu kuwe na hii mambo ya Jambo Pay system zao zifanye, tumejaribu ku retrieve hiyo pesa lakini hatujaweza. Ile namba tumepatiwa hazifanyi kazi.
Nikaongea with some customer care lady called Liz, akaniambia Mwakideu sawa, what's your number? I gave her my number. She told me in 2 hours you will get your money back, and she refunded 2,000 shillings. All right, and I was very happy. That was yesterday.
Riu ene ngari meguthii na mbere na gweterera nginyagia mutambo wa IGGP ucokererie kuruta wira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV matura-ini, jitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.